I'm sitting in a '09 Nissan Versa keyed version. We're going to make a key for this thing. We have no keys at all. Our key's in the ignition. You see it's that program, the light's on. Under Versa. Sorry for the flicker. This is a little out of sync. We need to pick 2010 because '09 only leads you to the smart key system. So we're going to pick a Mobilizer 2. We'll have to tweak the '09 menu. Program key. Key slot? No. Okay, we're going to use a new pin. Oh, key's deleted. Okay. It's on. Okay, the security light shit went out. At this point, the computer has done its job. Alright, it is out. Take the key, turn it off, turn it on, and blink 5 times. Off, on, security light is out. Take it out for the final verification. Wait till the light blinks again, which it is. Put your key back in, turn it on. If the light's out, you're good to go. And it'll start and run just as it did. You're all done.